The Geely Geometry C is Egypt's EV superstar. It's a sharp-looking crossover with a real-world range of 400 to 450 kilometers, enough for a week's commute or a weekend trip without recharging. Inside, it's packed with tech, a big touchscreen, digital dials, and a panoramic sunroof. The build quality rivals pricier European models, but at a much more accessible price. In 2026, it costs around 1.2 to 1.35 million Egyptian pounds, competitive with petrol SUVs, especially when you factor in lower running costs. It's practical, stylish, and loaded with features. The Geometry C is convincing thousands to make the switch. It's not just a good EV, it's a good car, period. For many Egyptians, this is the car that makes electric driving possible. The people's champion is here to stay. Enter the Volkswagen ID.4, the premium choice. It's an all-electric SUV that feels every bit a Volkswagen, solid, refined, and quietly confident. The ride is smooth, the cabin is spacious, and the range, up to 500 kilometers, makes it a true petrol SUV alternative. Rear-wheel drive gives it a nimble feel, and the interior is huge thanks to its EV-first design. Families will love the space and comfort, while drivers will appreciate the effortless performance. The price? Around 1.5 to 1.7 million Egyptian pounds. It's a step up, but you get German engineering, a trusted badge, and a premium experience. For those who want the best of electric and traditional motoring, the ID.4 delivers. It's the Golf of the electric age, reliable, practical, and ready for Egypt's roads. The ID.4 is setting a new standard for what an EV can be. It's the car for those who want to go electric without compromise. Meet the Dongfeng E70 Pro, the long-distance champion. It's not flashy, but its range is unmatched, over 500 km in real-world driving. That means Cairo to Hurghada on a single charge. No stops, no worries. The E70 Pro is built for high-mileage drivers, taxi operators, commuters, and anyone who needs to go the distance. The design is simple and practical, with a spacious, durable interior. It's priced like the Geely, around 1.25 to 1.4 million Egyptian pounds. You sacrifice some style but gain unbeatable range and reliability. For those who value function over form, this is the EV to beat. The E70 Pro proves there's an electric car for every need. For Egypt's marathon drivers, it's a game changer. Why go electric? It's not just about saving the planet, though zero emissions are a huge win for Egypt's cities. Cleaner air means healthier people and quieter streets. But the real kicker is cost. Charging at home is far cheaper than filling up with petrol. Think a fraction of the price. Over a year, the savings add up fast. Maintenance is simpler too. No oil changes, fewer parts to replace, and brakes that last longer thanks to regenerative braking. Less time at the garage, more money in your pocket. The government is helping too. Lower import fees, special parking, and reduced registration costs. By choosing an EV, you're not just buying a car, you're joining a national movement. It's cheaper to run, better for your health, and good for the country. The benefits go far beyond the environment. For many Egyptians, it's simply the smarter choice. The future is electric, and it pays off. But it's not all smooth driving. The biggest hurdle? Price. EVs are still expensive for many families, even as costs drop. Charging is another challenge. Home charging is easy if you have a garage, but tough if you live in an apartment or rely on street parking. The public charging network is growing, but it's still patchy, especially outside big cities. Sometimes chargers are broken or busy, making long trips stressful. There's also a knowledge gap. People worry about battery life, summer heat, and resale value. Education and better infrastructure are key to overcoming these fears. The dream is real, but there's work to do. Despite the bumps, Egypt's electric future is unstoppable. Battery prices are falling, ranges are rising, and charging is getting faster every year. Soon EVs will be cheaper to buy than petrol cars and easier to own. Charging points will be everywhere: homes, offices, malls, and highways. Egypt's solar power potential means much of this energy can be clean and local. Electric cars are simply better, quieter, quicker, cheaper to run, and more convenient. As more people make the switch, doubts will fade. The green revolution on Egypt's roads has begun. The days of the petrol engine are numbered. The quiet hum of progress is getting louder every day. Charging isn't just on highways, it's everywhere you go. Grocery stores, malls, offices, theaters, all have charging stations. While you shop or work, your car tops up. Destination charging means you rarely need a special trip to charge. Home charging is still king. Plug in overnight. Wake up full. Smart chargers save you money by charging during off-peak hours. New buildings are required to have EV charging, even apartments. The network keeps growing. More chargers, more EVs, more convenience. Charging is now a non-issue. It fits perfectly into modern life. Let's look at how EVs took over the road. The numbers tell the story. In 2026, EVs are over 35% of new car sales in the US, over 50% in places like California and Europe. Globally, 20 million EVs sold last year, double from just a few years ago. SUVs and pickups lead the charge, proving EVs are for everyone. Electric trucks are tougher, more capable, and more practical than gas models. The used EV market is booming, making them accessible to more people. Massive investment in charging and battery recycling has created a self-sustaining ecosystem. This isn't a fad, it's a fundamental shift. Gasoline cars are now the niche. The EV revolution is mainstream. The road has changed forever. Here's how it happened. Why did EVs explode in popularity? It was a perfect storm. Governments offered tax credits and set deadlines to phase out gas cars. Automakers invested billions, creating better, cheaper EVs. Battery costs plummeted. Now, EVs cost the same or less than gas cars. Public awareness grew as neighbors shared their positive experiences. Charging got easier, prices dropped, and choices multiplied. The industry hit its tipping point. Everything came together at once. Electric cars became the obvious choice. The new king of the road was crowned. Let's talk money. EVs are a financial win. Charging at home costs about $1 per gallon equivalent. Most drivers save hundreds every month on fuel. Maintenance? Minimal. No oil changes, no spark plugs, no exhaust systems. Just rotate the tires and replace the cabin filter. Even brakes last longer thanks to regenerative braking. Total cost of ownership is much lower than gas cars. Even if you pay more upfront, you save thousands over 5 years. Buying an EV is a smart financial decision. It's like getting a raise without asking your boss. Your wallet will thank you. Let's wrap up. Here we are, 2026. Cars are faster, smarter, and cleaner. 500 miles on a charge, minutes to recharge, and real savings. This isn't just new tech, it's a new way to think about driving. The road ahead is even more exciting. Better batteries, smarter cars, more innovation. If you haven't tried an EV, take a test drive. Feel the instant acceleration, the quiet ride, the seamless tech. It will change your perspective. No more compromises, just a better way to drive. More fun, more convenient, more responsible. This is your invitation to join the electric revolution. It's not about giving up driving, it's about enhancing it. The future is open, quiet, and electric. The view from the driver's seat is fantastic. Thanks for stopping by the garage. Now, let's go for a drive.